Apple says you can't recover photos from an iPhone that won't turn on, but many have done it. Here are some solutions to help you retrieve your photos. Way 1. Retrieve photos from iPhone that won't turn on via Doctor for iOS. Want to extract photos from a disabled iPhone? Try Mobican Doctor for iOS. It lets you recover photos from iTunes or iCloud backups without resetting or using iTunes. Recover photos from iPhone that won't turn on from iTunes backup selectively. Install and open the Doctor for iOS on your computer. Select Recover from iTunes backup file, and it'll automatically detect the iTunes backup file on this computer. Click Start Scan at the bottom right. All your iPhone data types will then be displayed on the screen. Now, please select Camera Roll, Photos, and click Start Scan. Preview the pictures and select what you want. Finally, click Recover to Computer to retrieve iPhone photos and save them on this computer. Get photos from iPhone that won't turn on from iCloud backup selectively. Open Doctor for iOS and select Recover from iCloud. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Choose Albums and click Next to start downloading your iCloud data. Once the data is downloaded, you can select the photos you want to restore and click Recover to Computer. Way 2. Get photos off iPhone that won't turn on with iTunes Finder. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes, and click the device icon. Go to Summary, tap Restore Backup. Select a backup and click Restore. Retrieve pictures from iPhone that won't turn on with Finder. Open Finder on your Mac, connect your iPhone, and select it. Click Restore Backup. Choose a backup, and tap Restore. Way 3. Recover photos from iPhone that won't turn on via iCloud Backup. Set up your iPhone, tap Restore from iCloud Backup on the Apps and Data screen, and select the backup with your photos. If needed, erase the device first. Way 4. Get pictures off iPhone that won't turn on from iCloud.com. Go to iCloud.com, log in, click Photos, select Images, and tap the download icon. Way 5. Fix iPhone won't turn on issue to recover photos without backup. Well, can I resolve the iPhone won't turn on problem with professional software and thus fetch the iPhone photos easily? iOS System Recovery can make it happen with a few movements and taps. To resolve iPhone that won't turn on for photo retrieving, you can. Step 1. Download and install this utility on your computer. Open it and choose More Tools iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer through a USB cable and click Start to initiate the iPhone system repair. Step 3. This program will soon detect the info of your iPhone. You can check it and tap Repair. If the detected info isn't correct, just select the right one and hit Repair again. Step 4. After the repair, please restart your iPhone and you will find it can work as usual. Lastly, you should regain access to your photos on this device.